Okay guys, nandito ako ulit, si pareng Roger. So ngayon ay mag-unpack tayo or open ng Pokemon Inferno X. And I believe no, sabi ni Google, so ang Inferno X, ang English version niya ay yung Phantasmal Flames. Okay guys, simulan na natin. Let's go! So ang anak ko nga pala muna ulit ang mag-unpack. Open na. Do you still need my help? Just be careful, you might tear the whole card in there. You got it? You're using way too much force. I think you're gonna need my help. You need my help. You're having a hard time. Wait. Okay, so ginunting na lang namin ulit para hindi masyadong magamitan ng force. Okay. You got it? Oh, I think I saw shiny stuff there. Alright, just lagay mo lang dito sa center para, yan. Good. That's Croco guy. Oh, we got that. Yeah, I forgot the name. Sorry. I think that's it. Is that the fifth one?
Yeah, we got.
All right. So let's proceed to the second booster pack. You ready?
Yeah, right.
All right, let's go. So Sebastian will do 3 booster packs and I will do 2. I think that's we don't get something crazy there.
Just gonna. Yeah, nothing.
Those cards are familiar. Oh, that's Moltres, right?
Yeah.
Wow. Is that the last card?
Yeah, that's the last
Okay,
one.
so
Look at this.
let's proceed with the third booster pack. You ready?
Yeah.
You sure? All right, let's go. All right. Do it like, oh, we got that. We got him. Toxtricity.
Yeah.
So it's the same.
That's
All right.
Trainer.
You did 3 booster packs, right?
Yeah.
So it's my turn.
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Okay, so fourth booster pack. Tingnan natin. Yung ibang mga booster pack, no? Hirap ano. Ayun. See? Oh, ayaw sa baba. You wanna do it backwards? Let's do it backwards. Ooh. Nice. Okay, ito ang pangalan yan. Yeah. Marami na tayo na to, no? Like 3 or 4?
Yeah. I don't know.
Okay, and who's this? Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so last booster pack. Tignan natin kung totoo yung last pack magic na sinasabi nila.
Are we going to do this one?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna keep Moltres.
But then we're going to make him do it.
Yeah.
Let's see what we get.
Let's do it backwards again
No.
for the suspense. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
You wanna do it at the same time?
What?
The 2 cards?
Yeah.
All right, 1, 2, and 3. Wait. But we got a. Wait, is this Reshiram? I think it's a Reshiram, right?
Yeah.
It's a holo rare. See, it's R, it's rare. Well, that's okay.
Yeah.
We did good.
Yeah.
We still got rare though. Okay guys, so 5 booster packs. Olats, pero okay na din kasi nakuha naman ng rare, di ba? So di na masama yun para sa akin. It's okay. So, ayun na muna sa ngayon. Next time ulit. Pareng Roger out and thank you for watching.